Hi everyone, I hope you're having a good day. My name's Kate and what's in the garden today is even more leaves. So I'm gonna get shoveling while future me explains. I've gone and got even more leaves. My plan for the first load is still the same, to use them in my compost to mix with the glut of grass clippings in the spring. The second haul, I'm planning to keep as leaf mold. Just like last time, I've set up a circle of my plastic mesh with some garden stakes. And this pen, I've managed to find a tucked away spot in my front yard for it, so I can just back the truck right up to it. This is going to be way easier than last time. Like before, this is a good mix of various deciduous tree leaves. Most of it has been trampled, broken, shredded. There's very little that's still intact as freshly fallen leaves. So in terms of breaking down, I expect this will be on the faster side. I'll keep them all piled up in this pen, and like compost, they need to be kept moist to keep the process going. Our winters tend to be pretty wet, so the rain will keep them well watered. Otherwise, I'd be keeping an eye on it myself. And also, like compost, it will help to turn the pile every so often. But if you don't, that's okay too. Now, from one perspective, this seems like a lot of leaves, and it kind of is. I even stomped them down after I loaded them in, but I'll assure you there are still so many leaves out there in our neighborhood for others. On the other hand, as time goes by, this pile will compress and shrink as the leaves decompose, so I'll end up with way less volume by the time this turns into leaf mold. And once it becomes leaf mold, I'll be left with a humus-rich material. It will contain a bit of nutrients for the next plants. Exactly which nutrients will depend on the type of leaves you start with, but regardless of type, it will still be quite low in nutrients. Where it really excels is in its structure. It will have a very nice soft texture and it will hold water well, fairly similar to peat moss. This makes leaf mold a good option as a sustainable soil conditioner. Leaf mold is a very useful and versatile resource in the garden. It can be used in a lot of different ways. It can be used in place of peat moss, in potting soil, and for starting seeds. And it can be used in the garden. If your soil drains too quickly, it can improve water retention, and also if you have heavy clay soil, tilling in leaf mold can help break up the clay and allow water to move through the soil, improving drainage. Basically, if you don't like the texture of your soil, leaf mold can probably help. The other thing, leaf mold can be great as a mulch. 2 inches or so laid on the surface of the soil will help to hold moisture in on sunny days to prevent beds from drying out. And over time, worms and garden insects will even incorporate the mulch into the soil. I'll probably use my leaf mold in a few different ways, but in particular, I have plans to start a new garden area in my backyard. It's currently a grassy area, so I'll have to smother the grass, and I'll be adding some new material to the surface. I thought instead of having to buy all the soil and everything, I could augment some of it with homemade leaf mold. So here I am, shoveling the leaves I got for free that will hopefully end up building a new garden. And then of course my phone died while it was recording. So I didn't get the end of the shoveling or pouring the last of the leaves off the tarp, but I did get them all in there, and there's plenty of room in case I decide to get a bit more. I think this is about the same, maybe a bit less than what I got last time. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.